Hello and welcome back to TechnoSage in YouTube channel. So we got some bad news. Essentially, there was a conference by NVIDIA, as you can see, NVIDIA RTX 5090 designed for the age of neural rendering, and the spokesperson from NVIDIA just came out and said something which is bad, and this might be the death of optimization for games. As they said, AI is going to be the future, which we already know, but the game made from AI, like more frames, basically more DLSS, more frames which are made by neural networks and neural rendering will be the future. So optimization in game will be done for basically, and the only thing that your games will be capable of will be frames which are not rendered due to pure rasterization but from AI, and this will be like pretty bad, as we already saw with Borderlands 4, where it has more generated frames compared to the original rasterization frames. So yeah, it looks pretty bad, and this network goes more into the data as you can see over here, putting it all together not putting it all together. As you can see, the promise of neural net rendering and gaming, 10 times amplification in performance, footprint, and design cycle, smoother response, 100% of pixels are AI generated, scale, perform to competitive gaming, battery life on the go for gamers, gameplay grow as you do, 100 seconds, 1000 seconds of thinking agents create emergent experience. But this is bad because we need pure performance. Yeah, rasterization performance can't be upgraded to such a degree where this AI generated frames can do. We can put like million frames, million AI generated frames, but there's still that input lag will be there. But still don't know how things will be made. So yeah, I will keep you updated regarding it. Next up, we have some news regarding RDNA 4 as AMD talks regarding RDNA 4 modular and flexible SoC design. As you can see, we already know RDNA4 was based on chiplet kind of a design, but now they had made it, as you can see, modular SoC structure, ability to spawn smaller SoCs on the red line. The bottom portion makes a new SoC, so they can just like, if there's an issue with this chiplet kind of a design, they can just slice it in half and use the bottom part of the design, while the upper end is like just disabled. And highly secure architecture, access control, and different levels of privileges for component security controls, power management, MPOU controller support this mode. RAS and software control reinitialization on poison, correction parallelity direction in the SoC Infinity Fabric, L3 GDDR, etc. models. We already knew it because Ryzen was based on this chiplet kind of a design, and AMD was planning for a very long time, actually with 7000 series, to make a multi-MCM architecture GPU, but it didn't went in RDNA4 also it is strong, and maybe RDNA5 is going to be that MCM design which AMD wanted to make for a very long time. As you can see, flexible architecture with fusing option to derive multiple product SKUs, market requirement dedicated the configuration. So yeah, if in a shader unit a CU is badly damaged, they just can disable it basically and not want to throw away the entire chiplet or entire thing, or they can just swap it, which is a nice architecture, and that's why they had this Infinity Fabric which communicates with all of the scores. Lastly, there are possible AMD RDNA5 UDNA GPU SKUs, configuration pointing to 90, 640, 24, and 12 CU dies. As you can see, we already knew some details which came from Moore's law is dead, which is over here. It is all of the details which Moore's law was is dead as shared with us, but now we have some more detail, and it comes from Kepler's L2. It is also a reputed leaker, and he says that upcoming RDNA5 slash UDNA LAN is here, and details regarding it's here, and it consists of 8 shader arrays and 2 shader engines, each for a total of 16 shader engines. Each shader engine contains 6 compute units, so 16 engines equate a total of 96 compute units. 96 compute unit is similar to that of 7900 XTX, not similar to 9070 XT, but this just gives us the not the price point but the performance, because if it comes with 96C compute units, it will be a nice thing, because 96 compute units is similar to 7900 X6, and when you compare it with RDNA 3 to RDNA 4, how much performance AMD was able to make out from just less compute unit in 9070 XT, this 96 compute unit in RDNA 5, they are they will essentially make good use of it basically, and we will get more rasterization performance out of it. And yeah, this performance is pure rasterization from the shader unit, and he didn't say much of about ray tracing performance because it doesn't know at this current point of time. And also in the middle it contains a graphics command processor, graphics engine, SWS, and L2 cache, and there are 16 unified memory controllers, each 32-bit for a maximum bus size of 512 bytes. And this is interesting because AMD never went with 512 bits, they were just 384 bits, and 59 RTX 5090 comes with 512 bits. So if this is true, AMD is literally going against high end, and this will be interesting to see how it computes. And the entry level GPU die scales from 24 to 12 CUs, RDNA 5 and UDNA 5. So yeah, overall AMD is not holding back at this current point of time. And yeah, let's see, I will keep you updated regarding all of the leaks which happens. But yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about the news? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.